What's going on, guys? Back here with you. Another day, cold as hell. It's like, I don't know, 29, 30. I'm sorry, it's 50 degrees. I'm a dumbass. So, I haven't really posted about the trailer I've been working on. I've been working on a trailer that actually got a camper off of my dad. And the camper was in really bad shape when I started ripping into it. So went up and to the landfill and got the camper knocked off the trailer. Pretty cool to watch. I'll post a video, a short clip on it with the excavator knocking the camper top off. I'll go ahead and throw that in now. There we go. There goes the shitter. Crazy. I actually got a lot of memories in that camper. So you see, super cool. I thought it was pretty sweet. My first time ever seeing that done. So I got hit, knocked off, and now I've got it sold. I was going to build a trailer out of it, but my neighbors are kind of complaining. Don't get HOA, guys. Beg you, please don't. But now, this morning I was running the wire, the electric brakes on it. It already has brakes, so just the wire got ripped off when the excavator tore the camper top off, so I had to put that on there. Let's go ahead and put these on so I don't get shocked. Blow my damn car up. Oh, Corolla here, it's always dead. Let me get a new battery for it. Look at that. But let me tell you something. I bought this car in 2017, 2016, I believe, for 300 bucks. And I have to start it with this, but it's fine. It works. And I absolutely love this car. Come on, baby, start for me. Oh yeah. That girl fired up, man. I'm telling you, I love this car, dude. I need to get that chain out. But yeah, so that's kind of the agenda for today. I was just really trying to get the electric wiring hooked back up for the brakes for the lady that's going to be buying it. She's coming back today. She left me a half deposit yesterday, wanted me to hook up the brakes, and then she's coming back today to pick it up. So thanks, Dad, if you're watching. Thanks for the camper. You helped me make a little bit of money, and I really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. I love you. But anyway, guys, so I'm trying to get old girl Stay Running floating it right now, and I've got to move her, and I've got to put old Black Betty on the trailer, get the trailer pulled down here, and get it ready for her. And that's it. That's what we got going on so far. Now let's get this baby off here. I'm going to grind so bad on that back bumper. I already know I am. Doubt it'll help, but we'll see. Oh, wonderful. I didn't scrape one bit. Nice. Yeah, guys, I use my cell phone. I pay $1,400 or whatever for these new iPhones, and there's no sense of going and buying a $600-700 camera when this thing does just as good. You know, I mean, I've always got it on me, so why not use my phone? Going here and get my little boy. Well, no, never mind. Might as well wait. That way she can put these boards in the back of her truck and I ain't got to deal with them. There it is. It's on there. Looks so low because my Tahoe is low. Boy, that's a big trailer. It's a big one. Throw a little paint up, make it look a little more presentable. You know, it is underneath the trailer, but oh well. after all, like what I even posted, I posted this on Facebook Marketplace, and I even listed, what was wrong with it, what it needed. I just had some asshole neighbors, excuse my language, they call HOA on me. And they don't like a 25-foot trailer. But I don't care. It's money that's gonna be put back and saved. Trying to get this 240 up and going. I've had it as a project for so long. I need to get it done. I really do. I've lost motivation a lot, especially with this COVID crop, just because of work. I no longer drive a semi anymore, which you guys knew. That's been with me since the get-go. You guys know. But yeah, all good. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. I just gotta look positive at it, but everything's all good. Just trying to make it more tolerable, decent looking. And this lady should be coming in time to get it. Drinking me a little coffee this morning. Gotta get that side. So I was hoping at one point I was going to do like a camper build or a trailer build, but that'll have to come another time. I just got too much stuff going on at the moment. I really want to get this 240 done this winter. That would be such a blessing. I'm wanting to go with the Z32 transmission, so for all y'all that's watching this and you have any advice for me on the Z32 on the LS1, please comment below. What I've read and what I've seen guys run, they seem to like them a lot, so and I don't want to go out and spend $2,000 on transmission, because I just want to get in the car, want it, get it going. And then after that, I can always keep upgrading it, but it just needs to be on the road. It needs to be where I can go and start it up right now. And I'm just getting pissed at myself for not getting this car done. I've put it on the back burner so much, not paid attention to it. I know it's not a human, but it does cost money. And I am making it, so everything will be fine. Just a little minor setback for a major comeback, as they say. But that's the thing with this. I'm wanting to sell this trailer. I'm wanting to get me a transmission. That way I can go ahead and start setting it in the garage and then just collect until I've got the damn car ready to fire up and then put it all together. So, that's gonna be it for this video, I believe. I still got my Corolla over here running. I gotta clean up some wood and stuff over here from where the trailer was sitting. I've been trying to let this sit and I don't start it a lot, so go ahead and get it going. I need to clean this garage, guys. I've not been motivated at all. Not been motivated. So hopefully, I'm begging myself that after this right here today and me getting back into YouTube is going to help me get this puppy together. I mean, Jesus, some people that would have this in their car right now or have this in the garage right now would be dying to play with it, get it together. But I've been taking my damn time, so we're gonna get this together. Let me get it cleaned off, get all this bullshit away. And then that's going to be the upcoming videos, guys. I hope that's okay, but I would imagine that would be hella okay, because we need to get this baby together. We really do. It's not going to be long before spring's here, just like it wasn't long before winter's here. So the hell with 2020 for one. And guys, comment, subscribe, like. We're going to have more videos of the 240. We're getting it together, cleaning all this bullshit off. So I'm back. I apologize for being gone so long. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the Tahoe video of me getting the exhaust put on it. Still sounds great. But yeah, guys, comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys back here soon.